Have no fear, JRideReviews is here. Yes, sir. All right, let's hop into this review real quick, J-Riders. Let's check this thing out, man. Y'all excuse my mess. Y'all know how I am with all this camera mumbo jumbo, man. We doing this thing in 4K. Y'all check it out. Y'all check it out. But anyway, we're gonna go through here, go over to some of the features and all that good stuff like I do in all my videos. Front seat, rear seat. Here's the power adjustments for the driver's seat. And we're gonna let y'all check this thing out, man. Y'all hang tight, all right? Let's get it. So here we are. We are in the F150. Let me turn these hazard blinkers off so y'all can hear me. And hopefully y'all like this thing, man. Like I said, it's 2015 F150, man. We're gonna go through some of the interior features and all that good stuff. Let me turn this AC down so y'all can hear me. And we'll just go from there. All right, so here we go. First things first. Let's get up here in this gauge cluster. Got your tack over here. Got all your different menus right here, which you can change on the steering wheel. All that good stuff right there. Yeah, all right. So tack over here. All your different menus in the middle. A bunch of gauges up on top. You got your oil pressure, coolant temperature, fuel, trans temp, all that good stuff up there. And then over here you got the speedometer. I like this nice little blue touch to the gauges and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna do this thing. Like I said, this is for all of the menu options on the steering wheel right there. And we're just gonna keep on moving through here. Let's make these keys your keys. Boy, I got more keys than the maintenance man. You see this? My car keys. The other vehicle, I had to move out the way to get this one from where it was. Man, look here, I'm the maintenance man. Yeah, unofficial. But yeah, let's check it out. I hope y'all like this view. This is some 4K GoPro stuff. Let's see what happens, man. Exterior mirrors, big. Got blind spot mirrors in the side over there, as y'all can see. We're gonna scan around this interior. Let's check out this big center stack right here. This is all touchscreen. You can connect to your phone, all that blase, different phones that are already connected. We can clean all those out when y'all get over here. But anyway, just wanted to go through a couple of features real quick. All right, so you got your basic radio dials here. You know, the old school buttons and stuff like that. Same with the radio controls here. Passenger airbag sensors. Down here, you got your old school air conditioning stuff here. But up here, oh, there's traction off. There's traction off. Alrighty. But yeah, check this out. Touchscreen, everything. We're gonna go back and let's see what we can do here. But yeah, nice ride, huh? Y'all hang tight. Hold on one sec. I gotta change one of these settings. Hold on. All right, so we are officially back in business. I think I figured out this new GoPro. It keeps wanting to time out as far as the screen, so I can see what I'm recording here. But we're gonna get it right. Like I said, first full review on this thing. Here is the center mounted shift lever. You got your manual controls here. Basically, you put this down in the M mode, and then you can just shift with the shift lever. And yeah, it's very nice here. Y'all check this thing out. But anyway, you got, like I said, you got your touch screen stuff here. Everywhere there's just a nice touch all around. Here goes your power outlet, 115 volt like at the house. Cigarette lighter there. And yeah, this a nice place to be. Of course, I got my camera stuff up here. Nice cloth seats, as y'all can see. Big center console, as y'all can see. Plenty of storage down in there. Everything is nice here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna hop into the back seat here in a minute, and then I'll get y'all out on a road test, and we're just gonna make this thing work. Sunglass holder up here at the top for you guys. Let's check out this back seat real quick. Bam, bam, big back seat back there. I'm gonna hop back there in a second. Like I said, I just wanted y'all to take a look at nice perspective of everything. I love this view here, how this window sill kind of slopes down so that you can see the mirrors a little bit better outside. It's a nice truck, man. Very nice truck. So let's hop into this back seat real quick, and y'all hang tight. All right, let's do it. All right, so let's hop into the back seat, J-Riders. Let's see what we're working with back here. Same high touch, high quality materials as up front. Nice carbon fiber look here. Plenty of storage. Got your speakers down at the bottom. Nice step up bar. I didn't show y'all that. Side steps. But yeah, let's check out the back seat real quick. Plenty of room back here. I mean, plenty. Yeah, y'all like that? Hopefully y'all like these views, man. Had to invest in myself, man. Get some better camera equipment. And hopefully you guys like that. But anyway, we're back here in the back seat. Got your plugs and stuff back here as well. Once again, the 115 volt plug back here. You have your cigarette light. Y'all excuse the lighting, the sun is all over the place. I was trying to find a good place to park this truck to do this video for you guys. But anyway, yeah, y'all check this thing out real quick. Plenty of room back here. Cloth seats. Here's the bed back there. I'll get a little view of that once I get back outside so y'all can see that. There'll be some video of the engine, all that good stuff. I just want y'all to see it. I want y'all to get a perspective of what I see, but I also want you guys to come by here and check it out as well. Support local on this station, on this channel, not station, I'm going old school, on this channel, and we'll just go from there, man. But anyway, motivational minute, like I say in all my videos, man, y'all check out the merch. I hope y'all like that. Yes, 2021, we going in big. But anyway, man, y'all stay prayed up. Y'all keep doing what you're doing, man. We gonna make it. We gonna get through this. We got to get through this. That's all we can do with God's grace. With his mercy, all things are possible. And we gonna make it work. I just got off work. Well, I got off work a little earlier today. It was real slow at the job, so came over here and had to talk with my crew, like always, man. Good people over here, the Champion Auto team. Pretty much all the dealerships I work with in the city, man. But anyway, particular to these guys, just because, you know, I know them personally from my Perry days at FedEx Ground. They own a gas station or two out there in the area, so shout outs to them, man. Y'all come by and see my crew: Jay, Scooby, Junior, Joe, Riley, Tanya, everybody, man. And then there's a new gentleman that just started up here, new salesman. I have to reintroduce myself to him. I think we've met before. But like I said, man, just a good bunch of crew over here, and I want y'all to come by and check them out and come get a vehicle that you want. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times you sacrifice because of what you can get, but with God's grace, pray on it, you can get anything you want. You know, I'm working on my little project, which one I'm gonna get, which one I want, but don't ever make decisions about what you want based off of your jobs or nothing like that. Get what you want because God said you can have it. You understand me? And that's where I'm at with it. So I'm trying to make sure, you know, everything is taken care of. All my other bills and stuff, investments and stuff that I have, want to make sure they're taken care of before I get to where I want to be with the vehicle, because that's coming. It's coming, y'all. I'm not shooting bad. I'm just trying to make smart decisions with the economy, with things going on in this world. You don't want to get caught up with stuff. Impulse buying, as I call it. I want to get exactly what I want, and that goes from there. So if you know what you want, come see my crew over here at Champion Auto. Tell them you saw it on JRideReviews, and we'll just go from there. But anyway, we're gonna hop back into this thing real quick, man. Hopefully y'all like this 4K view. Yes, cup holders in the back for your crew. Here's the view again of the front area. Man, this thing is nice, man. Nice F150. And we're gonna take it for a ride, 4K style. Let's get it. JRideReviews, as y'all can see on the merch. All right, so yeah, we're gonna take this one around the block real quick, give y'all a little perspective, JRideReviews styles. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully y'all guys like this 4K stuff, man. Had to invest in myself. Reverse camera, as y'all can see. Always check your surroundings though. Make sure you see what you need to see. Let's go for a ride, J-Riders. Let's do it. But anyway, like I said, these big mirrors outside, side view mirrors, they're heated on both sides. You got your blind spot mirrors and all that stuff. We just riding through the lot. Y'all see it. Y'all see the merch. But anyway, let's get it. Why not? We're just gonna take it up the block real quick. This one has the EcoBoost twin turbo as well. There goes my baby, y'all. Yeah, y'all pray for me, man. That's what I want right there. If not that particular one close to it, I guess. But you know, that's what it's all about, man. Work hard, get what you want, man. That's what we here for, man. God's grace. All right, so here we go, y'all. Take it on a little road trip. Make sure you watch everybody else driving. Yeah. Right. Very nice ride quality. Ride's really good. But you know what? I'm gonna be quiet. I just want y'all to get a perspective of it. I want to let y'all hear the sounds, the engine, all that good stuff, man. I'm taking it around the block real quick and we'll just go from there. Y'all hang tight, man. 4K, baby. All right, on the road again. That's all we know how to do is get on the road again. Just want to give y'all a little description of what I'm feeling, how things are here driving this thing. Very nice ride quality here. Good power from the twin turbo V6 in this thing. Steering feel is amazing for this size of a vehicle. The view around is, as y'all can see, is this sit up high enough that you can see around here. Like I said, with these door panels being sloped down like this, great mirror view here. Also with these mirrors, as y'all can see, you have your regular mirror and then you have your blind spot mirror up here, heated. This a good overall vehicle, man. Like I said, I want y'all to come by, take this thing out and spin for yourself. And with JRideReviews, you know, I just always want to give you guys a perspective of the different specs or vehicles that I do my reviews on. And like I said, go see the crew, 2752, 2754 West Tennessee Street in Tallahassee, Florida. Champion Auto Sales. Tell them you saw it on JRideReviews. I am headed back to the dealership. Y'all keep an eye on this stuff here. Oh, red light runner. Oops. I think I ran that light for real. Right here at Tennessee Street and Pat Thomas, going into TCC over there, is the entrance to Champion Auto Sales, as y'all can see. And I have made it back to the dealership. Great vehicle to do a review on. Like I said, it's gonna be right here on the front line. I gotta move a couple of vehicles around that I moved to get to this one. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this new perspective with the GoPro in 4K. And I promise you, things are gonna get better. And show love to the community, man. Show love to everybody. I love each one of y'all. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please hit the like bell if you haven't. The notification bell, all that good stuff, man. It all counts, man. 2021, let's get it. JRideReviews.